How to verify your age on Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Roblox application in your mobile device. So go ahead and open it up. Once you open the Roblox in your mobile device, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are inside the more section, scroll below and then simply tap on settings. Now, once you are inside settings section, you want to go ahead and tap on account info. Now inside account info, scroll below and then under personal, you want to go ahead and tap on verify my age. Now from here, go ahead and tap on start session. So in order to verify your ID on Roblox, you'll have to have your valid government issue ID ready. Also make sure it's well lit room. Be prepared to take a selfie and photo of your ID. So simply tap on begin verifying. Select what country is your government ID from. So you want to go ahead and upload a photo ID from this following. So go ahead and choose that. And after that, you can simply go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. And after that, you'll then be able to verify your age on Roblox. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.